Grabe, ang ganda. Guys, sinasabi ko na sa inyo, this is your sign to visit Egypt. I love Cairo. Amazing. Walang katulad. Wala talaga akong masabi. Puro yun lang yung nasasabi ko. Kasi kakaiba talaga siya. Ang ganda siya talaga. Finally here in Egypt, new country. This is country 62. Ay, ang grabe, ang haba ng biyahe. But this is Africa, so natural lang na mahaba yung biyahe. So I'm with my Travel Warehouse Inc. family. We call ourselves Tourista. So I'm with my fellow content creators. And I've been traveling with them sa ibang countries din before. And I'm happy na ngayon na lang ulit. Wait, share lang ako.
Egypt is the land of all the prophets and all the religions.
Wrapped in the quiet of the night, I feel like I can hear your voice, gently healing my heart, filling me with your kindness.
Oh, it's day 0. Bukas pa lang magsa-start yung tour again. Thank you to Travel Warehouse Inc. and to my Tourista family for this trip, no? So, again, I'm with my fellow content creators. Tapos, titignan ko kung anong magagawa namin sa vlog na to or kung ma-interview ko sila dito sa vlog na to. So, anyways, I'm really tired. That's it. I'm ready to sleep. Good night, everyone. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. Hello, we are currently here at the Egyptian Museum of Cairo. This is where we could find yung mask ni King Tut, one of the youngest pharaohs in Egypt. Ay, si Kaloy. Ay, si Arian.
Hello, classmates. Vote for me as the class president.
Muse, ayaw mo? President. Kaya. Classmates, andito tayo sa Egyptian Museum dito sa Cairo, Egypt. And grabe, sobrang nakaka-overwhelm because as a fan ng history, architecture, etc. This is the birthplace of civilization. Dito nag-umpisa lahat. And nakakita ko ng actual mummy. Grabe. At saka yung actual Egyptian writing. Classmates, I just got back here sa hotel ko. It's around 8 p.m. and look, pa-sunset pa lang. It's beautiful, no? So I spent the entire day going around Cairo. So we went to the Egyptian Museum, tapos we went to Old Cairo, kung nasan yung mga synagogue, churches, etc. So actually, honestly, wala akong expectation about Egypt because not a lot of people would really want to go here. Pero ang ganda pala, grabe. Rich history, culture, ang daming matututunan. I thought, ang dami ko nang alam. Medyo fan ako ng Egyptian mythology at saka ng history. Pero, sobrang enriching nung experience. Walking in the streets of Egypt. Hello, good morning. Another day here in Egypt and this is my feet. So medyo maga, it's around 6 a.m. and we'll be going to see the pyramids this early. Yes, catch up tayo kung ano nangyari yesterday. Nagmamadali lang ako now. So, yeah. This is my fit kasi dapat linen para hindi masyadong mainit. You know, because it's open desert. Diba? Okay. Yeah. I think this is my fit for the day. I'm just wearing sandals. Okay. Good morning, Egypt. And here's another adventure day. Ito POV namin. Transfer na lang namin sa'yo mamaya. Makishare na ka na lang sa amin. Naiiwan niyo ka. Asay na lang, share tayo.
Sige lang.
Need namin sumakay ng another bus going to the pyramid. So ito yung bus. Okay, so we're now going sa last stop sa Spigsata. Doon muna since mas lesser yung tao. Okay, so I think it's around 8 a.m. or before 8 in the morning. Medyo mataas na yung araw. So wear your sunblock if pupunta kayo dito. I wanna cry. This is once in a lifetime experience. So we're documenting this and taking a lot of videos.
Okay.
Naiiwan niya yung camera niya. Naiiwan niya yung camera niya pa vlog. Sorry, Arya.
Oh na! Tama na, Richard!
Ito na, mas malaking camera.
Okay, check this one out. Arya, naka-record kami. Hindi, joke. May professionalism.
I-blip mo yun.
Ay, look at this one. Amazing. Walang katulad.
Till the end. The one may doubt, the fears may rise.
Guys, sinasabi ko na sa inyo, this is your sign to visit Egypt.
Way I'll find my light. I'll reach for the sky, no limit.
Uy, naka-record ka, Loy.
Okay lang yun. You want to repeat?
No, it's okay. Student ang viewers ko.
Ay, sorry.
Joke. Ito, naka-principal outfit ako. Yes, so... Okay guys, pag pupunta kayo dito, huwag kayong magsasandals. Hindi, actually okay lang, di ba? Hindi naman mabato na let's feel the sand of Egypt. Yan. Grabe. Tignan nyo yung nasa likod ko, parang filter, parang fake na background. Grabe, ang ganda. It's beautiful. Wala talaga akong masabi. Puro yun lang yung nasasabi ko. Kasi kakaiba talaga siya. Ang ganda niya talaga. Pag nandito kayo, iba yung energy, iba yung feeling. Mas visit talaga to. No, so, ito yung destination na wala akong masyadong Pinoy na nakikita. Pero I tell you guys, ang dami ko na napuntahan itong landmark na to kakaiba. Yung ibang landmark kasi pag nandun ka, pag nakita mo na, okay, ito yun. Pero ito, it will not disappoint you. Iba talaga. Tignan nyo naman yung color grading ng lugar. Oh. Iba yung filter. So, ito si Aryan. Nag-shoot ng content. This is what we do as content creators. Okay, so now we're going to another location. Location shoot. And we're just going to another side of the area para lang makita yung angle ng Sphinx para mas malapit. So we are here sa temple. Sorry, hindi ako nakapag-research. Basta sumusunod lang ako. Pero parang temple daw to. Maganda. Linis ng pagkakagawa. So, sabi nung tour guide, basta temple daw to. Sorry naman. Napre-pressure ako mag-content since this is a work trip. But, yeah. Mamaya, i-research ko para sa inyo kung ano to. Pero let's ask for help kung ano meron dito. Tatanong natin. Kevin? Sorry, pa-help. Pwedeng pa-discuss sa followers ko kung ano meron sa temple na to.
So this is the part of wherever we are right now where they did the mummification process. So if you see the indentations on the ground over here, that's where the statues used to be put. And then there is a room over there where they used to store the equipment that they used for the mummification process. Some of the bodies were also kept there, but the ground here was where they did the actual mummification.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Ay, di ba? May accent. Siya na lang mag-vlog dito. Okay. Eto, mas malapit na view ng Sphinx. Yung iba na iiyak sa ganda ng view, yung iba na iiyak sa... Wait lang.
Naiiyak sa view at naiwan ko rin yung camera kaya naiiyak ako.
Lesson learned. Ang ganda pa naman.
Ang ganda ng shot mo.
Okay. Maki-camera ka na lang.
Camera, lobat na.
Diba? Ay.
Kasi ginagamit ko.
So, we had to ride the bus going to this spot. So, this is another spot dito sa Giza. And merong pyramid behind me. So, alam nyo ba na the pyramid is the only remaining 7 wonders of the ancient world. So, ito na lang yung naiwan. It really did stand the test of time. And it's an amazing architecture. No? Without the technology in 2300 BC, nagawa nila to. No? So, this was years and years ago. So, sabi rin nila na yung pyramid daw was parang originally made as a burial or as a tomb. Parang gano'n. Pero, ano lang nila yun, that's myth lang. Yung iba, it was made for energy. Because when you go inside the pyramid, some miracles do happen. Like, hindi raw namamatay yung plant sa loob. Or mas mabilis daw mag-heal yung wound ng sugat. And hindi rin daw nagdidecay yung bodies inside the pyramid. No. You can enter the pyramid for around $30. Pwede kayo pumasok dito. Pero sabi nila, there is nothing to see. But just look at this wonder. Another pyramid, mainit. Don't forget to use your sunblock pag nandito kayo because this is not a joke. Ito si Kuya Chris, yung videographer namin.
Yeah, it's not a joke.
This is not a joke. It's a sacrifice to be a content creator. It's work. Yeah, mahirap din talaga siya. Pero of course, you get to travel, so may perks din talaga. So, we are now here, third hour na namin dito sa outdoor. Buti medyo mahangin today. It's not as hot as I was expecting it to be. So, by the way, if you want to go to Egypt, Travel Warehouse Inc. is offering their Egypt tour. So, it's Cairo plus Luxor. I heard Luxor is another great city here in Egypt. Now, because before, Egypt used to be part of the Holy Land Tour. Pero since, you know, with what's happening, no, ang daming nangyayari. So, they would usually remove Egypt sa Holy Land Tour. Pero I suggest to go here na Egypt lang talaga to really experience, immerse yourself sa history, culture, arts, no, and it's just really a magnificent destination. And believe me when I say na it's a magnificent destination because I've been to 62 countries already. This is my 62nd country. And dito talaga ako na-amaze. By the way, pyramid tong nasa likod ko. See? Yeah, pyramid yan. Oh, it's now time for a camel ride. That's why I'm wearing my turban since maalikabok. Look at the camels. Oh, I'm scared. Wait. Tama, I'm scared. Ooh. Ayan. Hanap ako ng camel.
Mahirap sumakay.
Magalo ka na, Aryan, sa vlog. There you go. I'm good now. I have a photo. Wait, don't. No. Mukhang nangangagat yung camel ni Chris, ah. Say hi, Aryan.
I'm scared.
Yeah, it's scary. Actually, wait lang. Lord! Actually, naalala ko naman yung camel sa Dubai, pero hindi ganito. Like, this is scary. Safe naman to, di ba? Okay. Yeah, this is scary.
Medyo ano siya.
Hindi, di ba? May content na tayo. Pwede na tayo.
Pwede na tayo bumaba.
Pwede na tayo bumaba. No! Okay, relax. Okay, relax. Because my camel is itching. Okay. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung enjoyable to or ewan ko, nanginginig ba ako. Balance. Sorry. Okay lang.
Ba't kumakadto?
Ayan. Yung bunganga nung camel mo nasa akin.
Ano ba gagawa? Ano ba sasabihin ko?
Lean back ng konti. Okay, sige, lean back ng konti. Jesus Christ! Ito yung sasakyan mo papunta galing Jerusalem. Sana all may camera. Joke. Makakagatin ako nung ano mo. Wait lang. Sige, video kita. Nasaan ka ba? Ayan, Aryan. Naka-ano sa'yo.
Gagano pa ako. Okay lang. May panoramic ano naman tayo later, no?
Ito magkababalik sa sand. Kalesa. Marami tayong ganyan sa ano, Pinos. Okay, so nandito kami sa stop. Nandun yung pyramid. Okay. Hirap. Inamoy ako nung camel ng katabi ko. Ako Aryan.
One more.
Ito, nasa camel pa rin.
Hey, you with the pyramid.
There.
Here. Wait.
Okay, hindi. Bad camel. Bad. Okay, so we are currently here. Another pyramid, yes. So earlier today, before lunch, we were at Giza Pyramid. Now we are here at Saqqara, I think. And this is the first ever pyramid built. And also, ito siya, the first ever construction that uses limestone. So this pyramid is not as perfect as the one in Giza. Pero this is really special kasi ito yung first ever.
Here in Memphis moved to this area and distinguished himself by engraving his name, okay, in
Hello, it's now 4 p.m. here in Cairo and we are currently at the Nile River. Yes, dito natagpuan si Moses or dito siya nilutang. And we're about to go on a cruise. Nakaboard na kami. So the cruise takes about 2 hours and then meron dinner and then meron day shows. Medyo mataas pa yung araw. So, itour ko muna kayo inside the cruise. So this is the bar area. Yan, parang 2 floors tong cruise. River cruising lang siya. Yeah, this is the Nile River. Yeah, this is my outfit. And then this is the upper deck. Yan. So now we're going down kung saan yung table namin. Sobrang taas pa na araw. It's past 6 p.m. It's going to sail around 6:30. Pero harsh pa yung daylight. So I can't shoot outside. And this is the buffet area. Yes, cruising the Nile River. I never thought na mangyayari ito. Diba? You only read the Nile River sa Bible. Yan, this is the buffet. So medyo malaki na siya compared to other river cruises na I did sa Europe. Yung mga dinner cruise pala na ginagawa ko. Sarap, Ashley. Okay, so we are now moving and we are cruising around Cairo via the Nile River. So it's almost 7 p.m. No, pero medyo mataas pa yung araw. So I'll show you. So I did tour you inside the boat earlier. Tapos ito parang meron lang siyang balcony area or outdoor area. Actually smoking area to. And I'll just show you kung saan papunta yung cruise. By the way, did you know na Nile River is one of the longest river in the world? It's being debated kung ito nga yung longest or yung Amazon River. Pero hindi kasi nila ma-measure. Iba-iba yung standard ng measurement. Pero they claim na yes, this is the longest river in the world. And dito nga pinafloat si Moses. So, this is biblical, the Nile River. Okay, now it's time to go back in kasi nagsa-start na yung performances dito sa cruise. So meron atang belly dance, and then meron yung, nakalimutan ko yung tawag doon, meron din sa Turkey, yung nag-iikot-ikot ng plato. So let's go! I love Cairo. We just ended the cruise and it was amazing to see that Egyptian sunset. Yes, it was a good experience. I did not expect the food to be that good. Yung performance lang could be better, yung mga sa nag-perform. Pero all in all, great experience. First time ko, I think, no, it's not my first time to cruise the river. Wala. So overall, it was a great experience. It's now almost 9 p.m. and time to go home. Thank you to Travel Warehouse for collaborating with me in this trip.